Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. RNDR token has recently broken down the support of an up channel. You can see it was moving very well between the resistance and support of this channel. Recently, we have broken it down. And now after testing this support of $3.50, the price line is geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you this huge breakout from this very big down channel from this weekly time frame chart. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far the price line has rallied more than 1827%. And now I'm expecting that after testing this support zone, it can start another move or rally to the upside. And we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render token. And so far, this move has also produced almost 111% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared, by the way, in the month of November, on 9th of November 2023. That was an expected harmonic bullish reverse Gardner pattern that render was completing with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup at buying range and the sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line dropped more down, entered the buying zone, and then we had a very, very powerful pump. And so far, it has rallied almost 111%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render. And this is the weekly time frame chart. Let me to show you first the daily time frame chart. And you can see that previously, it was moving inside this down channel, and I've been telling you that after this breakout from this channel, the target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $5.28, and also formed this up channel as well. And recently, you can see that we have broken down the support of this channel, got bounced from this support of $3.50, and now there is a probability that after this bounce, the price then may try to re-enter the same up channel. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then we can see that from this $3.50 up to $2.95 is a quite long-term support and resistance zone. You can see previously in the month of November 2021, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone. And after this breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance zone. You can see that the price had entered inside this resistance zone. We got rejected. We got rejected here in the month of March 2022 as well. And after that, here we got rejection in the month of May 2023. And here you can see that after this breakout, the price line is using this level or testing this level as a support. And now it is bounced after testing this support zone. Therefore, I'm expecting that it can re-enter the same up channel and also try to break out this long-term resistance of $6.50. In case of breaking it down, this support zone, the price line can drop down to this next long-term support that is at $2.12. Now, if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, then the target is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.